Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that can save you from parking woes: understanding colored curb parking rules. Let's get started. White curb parking. White curbs mean quick stops for passengers. You can pick up or drop off passengers, but remember, no extended parking here. Green curb parking. When you see a green curb, you have limited parking time. Check the posted signs or curb markings for the time limit. It's a handy spot for running errands. Yellow curb parking. Yellow curbs are for loading and unloading. Stick to the posted time limits, and if you're in a non-commercial vehicle, stay with your car. Red curb parking. Red means no stopping, standing, or parking. It's crucial to keep these areas clear for traffic flow and emergencies. Blue curb parking. Blue curbs are reserved for disabled persons with special placards or license plates. If you qualify, use these spots for accessible parking. And there you have it, a quick guide to understanding colored curb parking rules. Remember, each color has a specific meaning, so be sure to follow the guidelines to avoid any parking tickets or inconvenience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching.